Hello my friend, welcome back or welcome if you are new here. So in this video I'm going to be sharing my process of making sticker sheet using Procreate and Silhouette. I'm going to show you each step of the process from the file setup, designing, silhouette setting, paper type and printing setting. So let's just get started. I'm using Procreate to design my sticker sheet, but if you don't have a drawing tablet or you prefer traditional art, you can totally go with that. And then you can scan it, send it to Photoshop or Affinity Designer, and then the rest of the step will be the same. Before starting designing, you need to set up your files. So open up Procreate, tap on the plus sign on the top right corner, then this plus sign to create a new canvas. For the dimension, I use 2000 by 3000 pixel or 6 by 4 inches for physical dimension and 500 dpi. Just remember that sticker sheets come in different shape and form, and you don't have to go with just one size, but things to keep in mind: you don't want your dimension to be less than 1000 pixel and less than 300 dpi, because I noticed a significant drop in the quality or the sharpness of my design, especially if I want to resize them later. For the color profile, I use RGB. I print my stickers at home and my printer don't mind printing in RGB, so I don't have to convert them into CYMK. But if you are thinking to outsource your stickers, check what color profile your manufacturer use, as they mostly tend to use CYMK for printing. So I use two ways to design my sticker sheet. The first one is to start from scratch. So first I pick up a theme. For example, I went for a cafe theme for this one, and I just kept doodling some item that you will see in a coffee shop, filling out the space, and when I'm happy with it, I start drawing them. The second way is to make a sticker sheet from a finished drawing. I drew this making a pie from an art print, and I thought it would be so nice to turn it into a sticker sheet. So I try my best to draw individual object on separate layer. That way it is easier to separate object from the drawing. So I do that, then organize them into a sticker sheet. One important thing is to separate the background from individual stickers or like the whole sticker design. It will be so much easier for Silhouette Studio to read them in order to create accurate outline to cut the stickers. So if you have a plain background, you can just export the file from here, but if you're like me, I have a pattern background, so I like to draw the outline for individual stickers. That way the sticker will have a plain background. But if you already have a plain background, you don't need to do that, because the Silhouette Studio can create outline for your individual stickers. When you're done with designing, you need to export it into your device. First, you're gonna export your background without the stickers. So you're gonna click on more action, then export. And you're gonna choose PNG and export it into your device of choice. Then you're gonna do the same thing for your stickers and the outline, but without the background. For cutting, I'm using Silhouette Portrait 3. So open up Silhouette Studio and I'm gonna show you how to set up your page. So open up the page setup and you can just copy my setting here, only if you are using the portrait model. If you are using another model, your setup will be different from mine, and usually Silhouette Studio will automatically do that for you. But if not, you can look up that online. But I'm gonna simplify the setting for you if you want to change things up for your preference. So first, here you have your machine type, like your model, and that will automatically be in when you connect your machine to your computer. Here you can change the width and the height of your mat. For example, if you are not using the Silhouette mat and you are using a different brand or a different size, you can change the size in here. The second thing is the grid setting, and that part is totally optional for you. If you don't want to show the grid, that's totally fine, but if you want to keep things precise, click on show grid and snap the grid just for things to be a little bit precise when you organize the sticker or the sticker sheet on the mat. The third thing is the registration mark, which are these three marks that the Silhouette read in order to cut your sticker precisely. You want to show them because you don't want things to be outside of the lines, because if it did, it will not cut beyond them. And here's the dimension for them. For example, if you don't want them to take the whole paper or you have different size of paper, you can change that here. And I lowered the top bar just because when I print on glossy paper, the paper that I have is a little bit curved from the edge. So when this black square is closer to the edge, it tends tend to mess up the black square, which mess up the cutting process. And that just depends on the type of paper you have. Maybe if it works for you, you don't have to change anything from it. To start, click on File, open your file, then put the background first, resize, and then put the sticker design on top of them. If you already drew your outline on Procreate, you just go ahead and select both of them and group them by right click, then select group or Ctrl G. But if you did not draw your outline and you want Silhouette to do that for you, I'm gonna show you how. Leave your background on the side or don't include it yet and click on your stickers, go to offset, select offset, and you can change the thickness of your outline here. And when you send it, make sure to click on cut edge to cut the outer edge so you don't get a double line cut. And that's how you create an outline for your stickers. So when you're done, bring back the background, select them together and group them. If you have similar design, you can just copy, paste them, but I'm gonna put another design because I'm printing two designs at the same time. So right now you have your red line, which are the line that are gonna cut the stickers, but we don't want the machine to completely cut them. We only want the machine to cut around the sticker sheet. So first go here and select different color. I selected green and go to the drawing tool and choose this rectangle shape and select or draw around the sticker sheet. Then go to the line tool and draw a line to separate the sticker sheet. If you have multiple sticker sheets, do multiple line, but I only have two sticker sheets, so I'm gonna draw only one line. To edit your cutting setting, go to send and click on line. So here you're gonna have the setting for different line. For the red line or the individual sticker, these gonna be the setting for it, and for the outline that we want to completely cut them, this is gonna be the setting for them. So before printing, you need to choose the type of paper that you're gonna use. You can go with matte or glossy paper. There are other type of paper, but I'm gonna talk about these two because I don't have the experience with other type of paper. So yeah, choose your preferred paper and load them into your printer. To start printing, you need to click on the Send to Printer icon or Ctrl P, then click on Print, then More Setting. So the setting of the printing will depend on the type of paper you will use. It usually will be included with the paper that you purchase, but if it did not, that's okay. It is easy to figure it out, or you can just Google it. So to print with matte paper, you will choose matte paper and set the quality on high. Click on more option and turn off the high speed option and you're done. But if you are printing with glossy paper, you will choose photo paper glossy, set the quality on high, click on more option, turn off the high speed option, and that's it. When you are done printing, put the paper on the sticky mat and load them into your Silhouette. Then go to Silhouette Studio and press send. When it's done cutting, take them out and congratulations, you have your sticker sheet. So you can stop here, but if you want, you can round the corners using this corner trimmer, which what I personally prefer. I feel like it gives the sticker sheet a nicer look. So that's it for this video. I hope you enjoy it and I hope you found it helpful. If you have any question, please don't hesitate to leave them in the comment below. I will try the best of my ability to answer them, and the people on the comment are so nice and always helpful, so you can help each other too. And if you want, don't forget to check out my channel. I usually post studio vlog and I show my process of making some products like stickers, art print for my shop. So if you are interested in that, you can check. Subscribe if you want. Don't forget to take care of yourself. See you in the next one. Bye.